Hey guys, yo, welcome back to Campus Vibe. And I'm going to by the back Campus Vibe. But you should subscribe here in the panel and subscribe here, man.
It's a man so on bed nini, but video no was taken at my old place last year November. And I'm meaning na what demo. Yeah, TikTok. And now Miss Mikojari. But obi friend or business page ni so no see Okojari first because me ye call. Inti no se na me down no a no akoshe Gari no video no mechi. Me kai pa soft na a good bed ni so enu soft na good bed ni so e wo me nchen no me ba. Ma o shana soft bi go maintain. She bed in so maintain pe o bon say bibi yellow any orange go maintain.
Sebi the way si da ho ne die won hyehye. Ade ni nyina sa ade na boho tumwi. Na ono obi so kasa o phone so no obi say what doing here, are you coming? Na enchiremu o video no hu ne say na o say na danfo bia no ne bokosi atafra ye oba. Onen na neti oba ne timba be dani fie oti ase iti se oba no oba ho de mo roro mo anytime bia na se no oba no e record ne tu na e da ho saa no e na emsen to kwa bom ntem e na oba na release video no to disgrace her. But this one was that only ni twemu last year kra iti no emsen say no oba na ho say opeso de gu na nimu ase iti na ma oba no e to da ho saa no but o say on person obeka ho asem.
So she didn't see say girl in the video.
O say
where who say girl.
Where who? But also
the way she was
video
here,
no,
as it looked like.
No, or share video ni say she can remember and on the room on the bed so get the bed in so on any that.
But one say maybe can say one say the way I all wiggle ass no. As a who tease you be.
There be no thing come check video ni. She wasn't.
No. I mean, looking at the video, it just. But when I saw it, I was very sad.
Yeah, it's very disgusting, especially at this time, man. Or issue crowd or police station, his friends of you. It is another thing that make us say, on reporting me and she's a girl, no, because circulating naked videos is also misdemeanor. I'll say a chino, like what chilling tea or yes, and so yeah, chino, so I so you be a baby or no, so I'll say a chilling. If you want to say video, but don't rush into judging the lady.
But what would somebody do this? What? I'm on more Facebook. Once I say,
no,
I mean, as a woman
saw naked video, we can show it on Facebook.
No, I mean, you cannot show it, but as a obida nefuso.
Okay, Obana wrong.
Obada nefuso.
And I go also pants. Yeah, also dross. And I was in the two sister. It's no a beer kakra, Emma, Akosia Kumasu show. And the waist be social. And the tone black spot kakra you. And I down would dinko. Remember more penny nakedness, actually, and you won't a boost of four. Oh, I cry.
I didn't cry.
Now, I'm one of my phone.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I was avoiding don't rush into judging the lady. Monchana or met ready here. Not yet say a percent in the Casana, but say I feel one video. Would back the buy would money back. No, we don't know the lady, but we can find out. I'm willing lady no.
I am identified.
So we actually lady no.
Of course.
Yeah, actually lady no. Because as a man for be dinner terms and or the pay high. But this one will be
because the way she was wiggling her ass to way. So Bianca said I'm come on this one. Everybody will say so the behind. Because she looks like she was teasing. Maybe she saw it, but then she didn't think that I'm from the baby side.
Yeah, maybe that should be very
maybe that only because for me to make my day that child. Let's say I am very comfortable around this. I never think that you do.
That is why also we are careful around on now for even when they are taking videos of you naked. You never know.
You never know.
Hey, dear, that should be who better he know release it.
When you are in a good relationship with somebody, you never think they can, like when you trust somebody, you never think they can do certain things to you. But if you are still
yeah.
See, for the you couldn't people
are unpredictable. It's bad. People are unpredictable.